Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're testing this Breville espresso machine. And let's go ahead and test the hot water. You can see the hot water is working well. The issue was that the boiler was overheating, and the coffee boiler was overheating, and consequently it was sputtering. It was overheating by about 40 degrees, so pretty significant. And unfortunately the machine didn't show an error, but it was definitely overheating, and in the technician menu it did show an error. So let's go ahead and test the rest of the machine. This is our test copy, so we don't get great crema. Just gonna stop it since my cup's not big enough. Then we're just gonna test the milk. Frother. Steam, working well. So thank you for pairing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.